Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Yesterday on 7th November, all the candidates appeared in PPSC statistics written test. Today I want to discuss that paper with you people. Before starting, I request everyone subscribe to my channel, like and share my channel, and click the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos. Inshallah, in a few days I will make the videos on the important questions of interview. Let's start. Number one is coefficient of skewness. As we all know that when there is no symmetry, the distribution is skewed, whether it is positively skewed or negatively skewed. And coefficient of skewness always measures shape of the distribution. That was number one. Number two is Marshall index number satisfies time reversal test. Number two is time reversal. Fisher ideal index number satisfies both time reversal test as well as factor reversal test, but Marshall satisfies time reversal test. Number three is an index number measures the change in a variable regarding not time only, that will be time and space. What is the range of the simple correlation coefficient? It is always -1 to +1. No value can be beyond that limit. Always the answer of the correlation coefficient is between -1 and +1. And here the question number 4 is range of the partial correlation coefficient. It is the same of the simple correlation coefficient, and that is -1 to +1. Number 5 is range of the multiple correlation coefficient, and that is from 0 to +1. The value of the multiple correlation coefficient can never ever be negative. That will always lie between 0 and +1. Number 6 is EIJ follows a distribution with mean is 0 and sigma square, and variance is always sigma square. Number 7, as we know that the graph of the frequency distribution is the histogram, and here in number 7 a very important one, graph of the time series when we have time on x-axis and the values on y-axis, that graph is histogram. Number 8, definition of vital events. There are some values, there are some factors which include, if we include them or exclude them, they affect the population. These are called vital events. And what was the correct one? Some factors cause changes in the birth and deaths of the population. These are the vital events. Number 9 is range of T distribution, a very important one. It is from -infinity to +infinity. In chi-square we have 0 to +infinity, and in T distribution we have -infinity to +infinity. All the values can be possible in that limit, -infinity to +infinity. Coefficient of variation. What is it? C dot V is equal to S over X bar multiplied by 100%, not fraction. It is always in percentage. S over mean multiplied by 100%. Coefficient of variation is described in percentages. That was number 10. Number 11. What is heteroscedasticity? When the variance of the error term is not constant, there is heteroscedasticity, and we use Goldfeld quant test for heteroscedasticity. That was number 11. Goldfeld quant test is used for heteroscedasticity when the variance of the error term is not constant. Number 12 is detrending means analysis of secular trend. I discuss in my lectures in Poisson distribution. Some important things I discuss with you people. Mean and variance are always equal. First movement about mean is equal to second movement about mean is equal to third movement about mean is always equal to the population mean. Is mean its parameter, and that was question number 13 in PPSC paper. Mean and variance are always equal, not less, not greater than. These are equal in Poisson distribution. Number 14, a very important one. In binomial distribution, mean is always greater than its variance. Why mean is always greater than its variance? Because the formula of mean is NP and the formula of variance is NPQ, and this is the rule of mathematics. When any value is less than 1, Q is always less than 1. When we multiply any quantity with a number which is less than 1, that will be reduced. That's why mean of the binomial distribution is always greater than its variance, not equal, not less than. It is always greater than the variance in binomial distribution. Number 15, central limit theorem is utilized on which population distribution? Answer is unknown and highly skewed distribution. Number 16, total area of a positively skewed distribution is formulated as, a very important one. Dear students, as we all know that in skewed distribution we use median, and median divides the data into two equal parts. If they ask in the paper for the negatively skewed, that will be minus infinity to 0 f of x dx. But in paper of PPSC they are asking total area of a positively skewed distribution, that will be from 0 to plus infinity f of x dx. This is for negative case, minus infinity to 0, and this is for positive, 0 to plus infinity f of x dx. Number 17, the sum of the squared of the standard normal random variables follows chi-square with n degrees of freedom. This is the correct answer. Number 18, range of Boule's coefficient of skewness. We have discussed in chapter number 4, Q1 plus Q3 minus 2 median over Q3 minus Q1. That was for Boule's formula, and for Karl Pearson we have used mean minus mode over standard deviation. And what is the range of Boule's coefficient of skewness? It is always minus 1 to plus 1. A very important one. Number 19, Mann-Whitney U-test is an alternative of which parametric test? Actually, when there is not the assumption of normality is not fulfilled, we move towards the non-parametric tests, and Mann-Whitney U-test is a very important non-parametric test. It is the alternative of two sample t-test for independent. T-test is used for parametric one, and it is used two sample t-test. 19, two sample t-test for independent samples. Number next is Wilcoxon rank sum test is used for two sample t-test. It will also be two sample t-test. Number next is 21, mutually exclusive events. There are two events. For example, if I toss a coin, head is an event, tail is also an event. If I toss a coin, the result is head. It is head, and if I toss another time, it is tail. Head and tail cannot occur together. They are mutually exclusive. All the events which cannot come together at the same time, these are mutually exclusive events. It means A intersection B is 0. There is nothing common in them. A intersection B, there are two events A and B, and there is nothing common. It is 0 in mutually exclusive events. Number 22 is when H naught is rejected. Dear students, actually we want to favor H1. H1 is for significant results. The question is, when H naught is rejected, it means our findings are statistically significant. It is 22. when H node is rejected, and we want to reject H node, we want to favor H1 for the significance of the statistical results. It means our results are statistically significant. H node is rejected means we accept H1. It means our results are statistically significant. Number next 23 is F is equal to S1 square over S2 square. That formula is given by a scientist G.W. Snedecor, a very important one. Number next is, which of the following tests can be used in RCB design? Friedman's test for repeated observations. Number next, MGF of standard normal distribution. What is the MGF of normal distribution? We know e raised power mu t plus 1 over 2 sigma square t square, and in standard normal distribution we will have to put mean is equal to 0 and variance is equal to 1. Just substitute the values in this formula of MGF of the normal distribution, and if mean is 0, 0 into t, that will be 0 plus 1 by 2, sigma square is 1, 1 into t square, that will be the correct answer. E raised to power t square over 2. Moment generating function of the standard normal distribution by putting mean is equal to 0 and variance is equal to 1 in the MGF of normal distribution, which was e raised to power mu t plus 1 over 2 sigma square t square. Number next is chi square over n into k minus 1. It is Cramer's coefficient of contingency. This is chi square over n into k minus 1. Number next is Newton-Raphson method is used in consistency. A very important one, a very famous one, expectation of x minus expectation of x whole square. It can be written as expectation of x minus mu whole square, and that is always equal to variance. Variance is the correct answer. Number next is Q is equal to AB minus AB alpha beta minus A beta alpha B over AB alpha beta plus A beta alpha B. It is the coefficient of association. It is Yule's coefficient of association for checking the association between the two attributes. This formula, Yule's coefficient of association. Number next 32 is Jerk-Bera test is used for checking the normality of the error term. Number next 33, when normal approximation to the binomial distribution, we have the data of the binomial distribution, but we apply the normal approximation when NP is greater than equal to 5. N is given, the number of experiments, the number of trials and probability of success is given. If we multiply them and the answer is 5 or more, we apply normal approximation. Number next is Fisher's ideal is the geometric mean of last pair, and as we know, Fisher is L multiplied by P square root. Fisher's ideal index number is the geometric mean of last pair and past index numbers. Number next is vital index is equal to number of birth over number of deaths. Number next 36. Consider f of x is equal to 12cx 0.5 raised to power x 0.5 raised to power 12 minus x. What is the value of variance? As we know, the formula of variance is in the binomial distribution NPQ. N is 12 into P is 0.5, which means 1 over 2. Q is also 1 over 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. Variance is 3. 3 is the correct answer. Next is t-square distribution is due to Hotelling. It is Hotelling. Answer is Hotelling. Next is MANOVA stands for multivariate analysis of variance. Next is very important. If unexplained variation is 0.40, 40% variation in the dependent variable is not explained with the help of the independent variables. It means r square is 1 minus 0.40, it is 0.60. 60% variation in the dependent variable has been explained with the help of the all independent variables. It is 0.60. Next is correlation between two sets of variable is canonical correlation. Next is when we toss 3 coins, I discussed in my lecture, when we toss 3 coins, it means sample space is 2 raised to power 3 and that is 8. Sample space will be, first of all, make, for example, it is for 2, head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. Same repeat it over here. Write H with all these 4 answers and tail over here. Now you will have to see exactly 2 heads out of 8. Exactly 2 means 1, 2 and 3. It means probability of exactly 2 heads is 3 by 8. Number 44, within treatment variation means SSE. Which of the following is not a standard deviation? Mean square error. It is not a standard deviation. Next is very important. If 2 events are mutually exclusive, if 2 events are 46 is, if 2 events are mutually exclusive, then probability of A given B is equal to, dear students, we know the formula of A given B, that is probability of A intersection B over probability of this. And we know in mutually exclusive events, probability of A intersection B is always 0. 0 over something is 0. The correct answer is 0. Next is 47. Combinations are taken when order is not necessary. In permutation, order is compulsory, order is necessary, but in combination, order is not necessary. Next, definition of multivariate linear regression. 2 or more predicted variables are given. Next is the shortage of certain consumer goods before annual budget is an example of seasonal variation. Next, the Sakri plot is used to retain the number of variables in principal component analysis and factor analysis. Next, R language is the implementation of S or S plus. Next, R language was developed by Ross and Robert. Next, a population from which the information is desired. We want to collect the information from a specific population, from a desired population, that is always a target population. Next is decreasing sampling error. If we want to decrease the sampling error, the difference between the population parameter and the sample statistic, we will have to increase N. N is the correct answer. We will have to increase the sample size. Next is Which of the following is not correct about R? Spearman's correlation coefficient. It passes through X bar, Y bar. It is incorrect. Number next is area under mu minus 2 sigma. We know area is 0.9545 for mu plus minus 2 sigma. Number next is the shape of the normal distribution becomes smaller with smaller standard deviation. Number next is 1 minus 1 over k square. One minus 1 over k square. It is used for Sheffield's inequality. Number next, air ticket price arises due to COVID-19. It is an example of irregular variations. Earthquake, flood, storm. These all are the examples of irregular variations, chance variations. Number next is a mathematical equation is given by, I discussed in my lecture of multivariate analysis, that was A1 B1 is equal to A2 B2, B2 is equal to A3 B3 up to so on equal to 0. It is the condition of orthogonal. Number next, in a linear regression, slope means, what is slope? Slope is B, regression coefficient. What is slope? B, regression coefficient. It tells the increase in the dependent variable with the unit change in the independent variable x. It means change in y for a unit change in x. Number next, graph used for type 2 error is OC curve, operating characteristic curve. Number next is, if 600 families are selected from which 450 own the house, a randomly family is selected, what is the probability that it owns the house? We are interested in people who own the house, and how many are they? They are 450 out of 600. 0 is cancelled with 0, 4 9s are, 4 12s are, 4 3 is 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 over 4 is the correct answer. Number next, if there exists no linear relationship between two variables, then which of the following is not hold? A is equal to 0 does not hold. Dummy variable take only 0 and 1. 0 and 1.